Hey, Luke.
Hi.
What do we see today?
A good-sized millipede. It's giant looking.
Tell me about millipedes.
Some millipedes, all millipedes, spray cyanide when they get scared.
Oh, now, is this little guy going to be okay here?
If we get him into the moist areas, then he'll be fine.
Oh. Well, how are we going to do that?
Get a leaf under him and let him go over in the grass area over there.
Oh. Okay.
He's moving, and maybe I can get him onto here.
Should we use something else to move him on there?
Maybe a stick.
Last time I picked up one of these guys, my fingers turned yellow.
Yeah, because we don't know if that's a cyanide or not, but they do spray cyanide. Might have got scared.
Okay, well, maybe we should get a little stick.
Oh, is this a stick? No, that's
or
leaf.
Another leaf.
Or maybe a small leaf, a dead leaf. What about that?
Okay.
Oh, I see some over here. They're huge. Little leaf right here. Little dead leaf. Easily get broken, but not as easily as this one.
Okay.
Just bend it.
We'll try to get him onto the leaf and rescue him, huh?
Oh, good. He's right in the position. Need to get him on.
Oh, wow. Great.
See if he can.
Wonderful.
Careful. Don't want to drop him. And if he drops, he might break. You have to be very gentle. Even though he has a shell.
Oh, he did a break.
Yep.
Is it a shell? Is it an exoskeleton?
Exoskeleton, maybe. Oh, I need to get that stick. Where'd that stick go? Where'd it go? Oh, the leaf. Oh, here it is.
Look at all those legs.
I know, there's so many of them. They have more than the centipede. They actually have more than the centipede.
Oh, is that why they're called millipedes?
Maybe millipedes, because maybe they have millions of legs. Oh, and then centipedes only have like 1 cent. So like, legs.
Okay, let's try again.
Hope he doesn't fall off and lose. Let's see. Okay, we got him here.
Okay, set him free.
Yay!
Somewhere in the grass is where it's moist now.
Yep, I put him right there. And he's not going to come towards here because he knows that if he does, then, well, he's going to have to go past those spiny leaves and he might break. Hi, guys. This is Luke signing out. A little nature bite. Don't stare at your screens too long, but have fun exploring in nature.